So in this one, we're going to do how the variables work for inheritance and polymorphism. It's really weird, but um, there's a lot of cool stuff you can do. So when you're making a variable, right? Here's your little bucket. Um, Say this one is x and it holds an int, right? The top is in it has an int shape, and you can only drop ints into it, right? You can't drop a string, you can't drop a double. I mean, you can, but you got to change them into an int, right? Same thing with objects, right? If you have a class called like bug or something, you can't put like a car class in there. That just doesn't work. Nope. Now the cool thing with inheritance is that if you have a parent class, here's the parent. If you have a parent class, you can put any of the children into here, which is super cool. Watch this. So I have person and fancy person, right? Fancy person extends person. So here, this will run, right? Hello, goodbye. The person puts on a top hat and monocle. I could change this to person, and it works just the same, right? It doesn't work the other way though, right? If you have a person, you cannot put that in a fancy person. Fancy person, right? Incompatible types. You can get more specific, but you can't get more general. Okay? So that's some cool stuff. Now, this is especially important in the last project. And I'm going to take a look at that project real quick. You're going to have let me see. Yeah. You're in this last project, let me pull it up. It's called Mamma Mia Pizzeria. Oops, you don't want to see that. I got all my code in there. Oh wait, no I don't. No I don't. That's in model solution. Yeah, we're good to go. Okay, okay. Now it looks like a lot, but it's okay. It's okay. You have this thing called an order. Okay? You'll read what this does, but essentially you're building a pizzeria, right? You're going to make an order, and the order is going to have a bunch of products, right? So let's take a look at get this out of here. I have too many things. All right. So you have an order, okay? And this order is an array list of different products that you sell. And in this pizzeria, you sell breadsticks, drinks, and pizza. Okay? All three of these are going to inherit their name and price from product, okay? These variables. Because all three of them are products, they're just different kinds of products. So what you can do is you can make an array list of not breadsticks, not drinks, not pizza, but the parent class of all three. You can make an array list of products. And you can save breadsticks, drinks, pizza into this array list, which is so useful because even though all three of these are different things, you can still save them in the same list. Remember how if we're let's do this. Say we're making an array list of people, right? Or I'm sorry, of strings. So we can say array list of string, right, equals a new array list of string, and we're going to put no one in there yet. We're not going to put anyone in there yet, right? You can only put strings in here. On the other hand, if I were to do person, you can put both a person object and a fancy person. You can put both of them in here, right? And you can have person, fancy person, 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 fancy person, fancy person. It's so nice. It's so nice because they all inherit from the same thing. Now, again, you have to specify that it's the parent that it holds. You can't say fancy person, then put a person in there because fancy person extends person, right? That's going to be super important for order, okay? And I might make a video breakdown of this depending on how much help you guys need, but the logic in here is not hard. It's just a matter of wrapping your head around how everything bounces around with inheritance and polymorphism. I'd say the only thing that's a pain is pizza and order. Those are the big ones. Breadstick and drink, not too bad. They'll get your feet wet with polymorphism and inheritance. Oh, by the way, polymorphism, that's replacing a function with another function, right? So when I was doing this, I don't know if I said this, I think I did, but that's when you override. This is polymorphism, okay? Overriding is polymorphism. Okay. I believe that is everything you're going to need to know. Actually, let me I'll make another video if I do. Bye.